Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why so many manufacturing companies lose millions each year? Not because of poor sales or bad products, but because of theft, delays, and supply chain disruptions. Yes, in today's world, even one weak link in your supply chain can stop production lines, delay shipments, or cause massive financial loss. That is where ISO 28000, the Global Supply Chain Security Management System, becomes a game changer. Now, what is ISO 28000 and why it matters? ISO 28000 is not just another certification. It is a powerful framework that helps manufacturers identify, control, and reduce risk within their supply chain. It focuses on protecting materials, finished goods, people, and assets from theft, tampering, and delay, right from raw material sourcing to final delivery. Imagine it as a security shield for your manufacturing operations. Now, how ISO 28000 works in manufacturing? ISO 28000 helps manufacturers build a security management system that includes risk identification, finding weak points in the chain, control measures, setting strict access and monitoring systems, incident response, having clear plans for what to do if something goes wrong, continuous improvement, learning from past incidents to prevent future ones. With this system, you are not just reacting to theft or delays, you are stopping them before they occur. Now the ISO 28000 7-step approach. Step 1. Secure your raw materials. Everything starts with your suppliers. ISO 28000 asks you to verify supplier credibility, use safe transportation methods, and record every delivery. This ensures that no unauthorized person can interfere with your goods before they even reach your factory. Now, step 2. Protect your manufacturing operations. Inside the plant, risks like employee theft, tampering, and unauthorized access are common. ISO 28000 guides you to install surveillance and control points, train employees about security awareness, manage who has access to sensitive areas. When every movement is logged and secured, theft becomes nearly impossible. Step 3. Secure storage and warehousing. Storage areas are high-risk zones for loss. ISO 28000 requires a strict inventory management, surveillance systems, and tracking of goods movement. Every product should have a traceable record from production to dispatch, so nothing disappears unnoticed. Step 4. Safe and reliable transportation. A big part of theft and delay happens during transit. ISO 28000 ensures trucks and containers are sealed and tracked. Drivers are verified and tracked. Communication between checkpoints is clear, so if any delay or risk happens on the road, you know exactly where and why it occurred. Step 5. Information security and traceability. In today's digital world, data theft can be as harmful as physical theft. ISO 28000 encourages manufacturers to secure logistics data, shipment details, and vendor records using safe IT systems. When information is protected, your entire supply chain becomes more reliable and trustworthy. Now, step 6. Collaboration across the supply chain. ISO 28000 isn't a one-man show. It requires collaboration between suppliers, logistics partners, and customers. This teamwork helps manufacturers build a supply chain that is transparent, secure, and trusted by everyone involved. Step 7. Legal and compliance benefits. When your supply chain follows ISO 28000, you're automatically meet. Step 7. Legal and compliance benefits. When your supply chain follows ISO 28000, you automatically meet many legal and customs security requirements. This reduces inspection delays, avoids fines, and gives your company a global advantage, especially in international trade. The smart manufacturer advantage. In a world where delays and theft can ruin reputations overnight, ISO 28000 is your smart shield. It doesn't just protect your supply chain, it makes it faster, safer, and more profitable. Manufacturers who adopt it early are not just reducing risk, they are building a brand of trust and reliability that customers love. So, if you are a manufacturer who wants to deliver on time, reduce theft, and build a global reputation, ISO 28000 isn't optional, it is essential. Because in the supply chain world, prevention is not just better, it is profit. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.